Welcome, food explorers. Today's big question is, what makes pancakes bubble before we flip them? We mix flour, milk, and eggs, plus one magic helper, baking powder. What do you think that does? Whoa, look at that! Those bubbles come from the baking powder. When the baking powder inside the pancake gets hot, it makes little puffs of air. That's what makes pancakes light and fluffy. Now that we've seen the bubbles, let's pretend we're pancakes too. Can you puff up your cheeks like batter on the griddle? Now pop like a pancake bubble. Boop! Pancake bubbles aren't just fun. They help us know when to flip, and they make every bite soft and airy inside. You just earned your Bubble Flipper badge. Print and color your badge at home to remember today's discovery. Until next time, keep asking big questions about little bites.